Einstein and Tesla are often cast as polar opposites in the modern mythos of science. One the genius of relativity and space-time, the other a maverick visionary silenced for daring to think beyond. Yet a closer look reveals that both, in their own way, became pillars in a theatre of deception designed not to advance human understanding, but to conceal the true structure of our realm. Einstein, placed on a pedestal as the high priest of modern physics, offered a model so abstract, so convoluted, that it replaced direct experience with theoretical illusion. Tesla, on the other hand, was elevated posthumously into cult status, a mystified archetype detached from practical cosmology and used to misdirect inquiry into the energetic reality above our heads. Together, they formed the twin bookends of a psyop, one to redefine reality through unreachable mathematics, and the other to enchant the rebel mind with dreams of lost technology, all while keeping the globe firmly in place. Albert Einstein's elevation to scientific sainthood came at a time when the cracks in the heliocentric model were becoming too obvious to ignore. His theory of general relativity introduced the idea that gravity was not a force, but the warping of space-time, a concept so intellectually untethered from observation that it defied disproof by design. Under his framework, objects didn't fall due to density or pressure gradients, but because the very fabric of space bent around mass. This not only removed the need to observe actual cause and effect, but it allowed science to retreat behind abstraction, placing cosmology forever out of reach of empirical investigation. The sky became a place of equations, not inquiry. This was no accident. By shifting the conversation from what can be seen and tested to what must be accepted through mathematics, Einstein's work helped erect a firewall between the common man and the cosmos, the simple truths of density, pressure, and motion, once the domain of every sailor, farmer, and skywatcher, were now locked away in inaccessible dimensions available only to those indoctrinated in relativistic theology. Einstein was not merely a physicist. He was an instrument of narrative control, creating a new language that excluded lived experience and cemented the illusion of a spinning ball hurtling through vacuum. Tesla, for his part, seemed to offer the antidote. A man of natural forces, field dynamics, and radiant energy, he spoke of the ether, of energy freely available in the sky, of vibration as the key to unlocking the secrets of the realm. He challenged Einstein directly, rejecting relativity as a hollow theory and insisting that the ether was